Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. I have a super quick video for you today with 15 amazing couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, June 17th at Dollar General to really maximize your savings and help your family build an amazing stockpile. I'm not going to do any talking for the rest of the video. It's just going to have music in the background, so make sure you're ready to screenshot these deals. But before I get started, don't forget, if you love couponing and saving money, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. Subscribing is completely free to do. Hit the thumbs up like button because it goes a long way to help support my work here at LoveLiveSave. Leave a comment down below with your favorite deal, or if you have a couponing question, make sure you leave it down below in the comments. I respond to every one of my comments. And share this video with all your friends and family members that are interested in couponing so that they can save money too. Now on to the deals.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest but I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
If you're looking for even more couponing deals, make sure you check out the comments down below for information for a 1-week free trial for my $5 a month Patreon membership. You gain access to my complete couponing deals list this week, which has a total of 100 couponing deals for all the major categories. So if you're interested, make sure you check out the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, leave me a comment down below and hit that thumbs up like button. It goes a long way to help support my work and it's greatly appreciated. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our LoveLiveSave couponing community. And while you're at it, click on the notification bell as well. That way, whenever I post any of my deal videos or I do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats, you'll receive a notification and you'll be one of the first people to know about it and you won't miss out. And I'll see you in the next video.